So today's video is a little bit different to our normal videos because we are in Coastal Garden Buildings, which is in Stewarts Garden Centre in Christchurch, which is in Dorset. And we have just finished installing this outdoor kitchen display in one of their incredible outdoor buildings. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking you through this display and some of the buildings that they've got here. So Rachel from Coastal Garden Buildings got in touch with us a little while ago now to ask if we would be interested in putting one of our kitchens in one of their outdoor buildings. So we leapt at the chance. The two go together really, really well. So that's what we did. So I came down here, I met Rachel, we had a look around, look at all the different buildings that they've got here. They've got some incredible buildings to go in your garden, lots of different usages as well. So I mean, over there you've got like garden offices, gyms, chill out areas. You can have hot tubs in there, all different styles and ranges, colors and materials. So if you are looking for an outdoor building or something like that to put in the bottom of your garden, make sure you give these guys a follow, go and check them out and see what they've got to offer. So our kitchen here that we've just put in is a Napoleon Oasis kitchen. Now you may have seen some of these before. These are powder coated aluminium framed units, and they've got stainless steel doors and drawer fronts. So in this building here, which is really cool, it works really well. You've got like a small inside area there where you can have teas, coffees, chill out, read or whatever. But then you've got this undercover canopy area which is still open as well. So this space works really, really well. So you can see here that we've got this breakfast bar area with the bar stools there. You know, your friends and your family can be sat there. There is room for another chair over this side and one on the end as well. So you can comfortably sit 3-4 people around here. You've got a stainless steel sink and tap. Underneath here, you've got just a universal cupboard, which you just use for storage. Again, underneath the sink and tap here, you've got another universal cupboard, which is just purely for storage. Obviously, you'd have your water and your waste will be coming in there. Here you have a kitchen roll holder. And underneath here, you have a pull-out bin, which is essential for any outdoor kitchen. You can see that the team at Coastal Gardens have put these shelves up here. They did actually, we came down here a little while ago to take some pictures and things, and they dressed it all to look really nicely. I expect Jess has got some pictures of those that she can put up there now to show you. But they've put all these shelves and things, little bits up there, which makes it look a lot more homely. So over here you have got a 2-drawer unit. The reason we've got a 2-drawer unit here is because of the space here. I didn't really want to have the barbecue right over here with another unit. So if you had a normal drawer here and you tried to pull that out, it would hit the barbecue. So we've just put a 2-drawer, a dummy one. Normally you would put these under a sink. So your sink would be in there. All of the trap and everything would be hidden behind there, and then you've still got the drawers underneath there. These drawers, by the way, you can take out as well. So if you want to get up underneath there to fiddle about the waste and the services, you can. And then coming around to here, you've just got the undergrill unit. Here, 2 really large drawers there for keeping all your accessories, rotisseries and things like that in there. Plenty and plenty of space. So here we have the Napoleon 700 Series BIG32. So this is available in 2 other sizes, the 38 and the 44. So this is a stainless steel barbecue, 3 or 4 stainless steel. It's got a back burner on it. It's got 4 main burners. It lights up. I don't know if this has got electric. No, it hasn't. So all of the knobs light up. When you push them and turn them on, they turn from blue to red. It's got a drip tray underneath there. The rotisserie is actually stored in the drip tray as well, which is really, really handy. All in all, this is a fantastic grill. Very big, good size. You're going to be able to feed a lot of people. This is the smallest one of the three, by the way. So, you know, the others are a lot bigger. Worktops on this one. This is Decton. I can't remember the name. I think it might be Decton Soke, S-O-K-E, but I will have to check with that. I'll check with Jess, and Jess can put it on here. What it is. But this is like quite a nice pale grey colour. We've used this before in our showroom, and it goes really well with the powder coated frames and the stainless steel. The colours work really well together. You can see we've got a couple of up-down lights over here. I mean, if this was yours, you could put some other lights in here. You could dress it. Might be nice to have some plants and things like that. But actually, the kitchen itself works really well. You're undercover here, so you cook. You would probably have an extractor fan or something like that here. You wouldn't really need it. I mean, the smoke would go away, but if it was mine, I probably would. But because you're undercover here, you could get any sort of extractor fan and put it on there. This shelter, I think, is just under £7,000, and this kitchen setup itself is just under 10,000. So for £17,000, you're getting a whole outdoor garden room and a barbecue area, outdoor kitchen area, entertainment space, which is incredible value when you think about it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see it, make sure you come down here to Coastal Garden Buildings in Stewarts Garden Centre and come and check it out. You can have a play around with it, have a look at the barbecue itself. If you want to see more videos like this, I'll leave a link to another one up here. If you're looking for inspiration or ideas, head over there. We have actually just had our website completely redone as well. We have a fantastic community area, a community forum, so you can go on there, you can swap ideas, pictures, tips, tricks. We'll be putting lots of recipes and things on there as well. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.